Your business has the means and the budget to run a PPC campaign, but you might find the senior managers asking, how effective is PPC advertising? Well, it depends on what you're trying to gain from running ads. PPC can link to and assist in reaching multiple business goals, but which one adds the most value to your business? Conversions. Ultimately, the number one aim when someone clicks on your ad is that they convert through one of your chosen conversion points, whether it's a form submission, a purchase, a phone call, or an inquiry. As much as we'd love the conversion rate to be 100%, sadly it's unrealistic, but a good conversion rate to aim for is about 10%, with some of the top performers on Google Ads achieving an 11.45% average. Quick entry. You can set up a campaign with minimum external resources and a relatively small budget. PPC campaigns give businesses the opportunity to boost their website in search engine results where they may not already rank with SEO. For businesses in a saturated market, it's harder to build a presence in search, but with PPC ads and the right spend, you can see your business in the ad content of the page 1 of search results. Building a digital marketing strategy. Linking together all branches of digital marketing can build a strong and focused strategy to build your business's authority as a leader in the industry. PPC advertising can blend really well with other branches of digital marketing, especially SEO. Using targeted keywords in both PPC and SEO can show both your ads and your optimized pages for a given search. When done right, this means you can take over a sizable chunk of search engine results pages. Plenty of resources. Choosing to do PPC yourself may feel like a jump in the deep end initially. However, there are plenty of resources out there to help develop your knowledge and skills of PPC. Almost all search engines and platforms that offer ads have a skills or training page for you to build your knowledge of their platform specifically. Google Skillshop teaches the basics and the need-to-know information on how to effectively run ads with Google Ads. Microsoft has learning labs with dedicated Microsoft advertising certifications. While knowing exactly what you hope to get out of it is a good place to start, whether you're running a brand awareness campaign or trying to boost quality leads with PPC, making it work for your business. Managing and optimizing PPC campaigns can be a lot, even for a dedicated in-house team. But to find out how our team can boost your PPC and help you reach business goals, click the link in our description and get in touch.